What do we have next, Randall?
What we have next is a little sketch for our audience, okay? So,
A little comedic relief.
yeah, ideally.
Yeah.
So you want to go ahead and get started with that?
Of course. All right, so we know that AI is pretty impressive. We've been seeing a lot of it, right? But Reynold, I will be truly impressed when it can tell us some solid jokes.
In that spirit, folks, we asked ChatGPT to tell us a few coding jokes, and then ask our YouTube community to tell us their best programming jokes, from which we chose one.
Exactly. So in this segment, we're going to put everyone to the test. So you have to tell us, out of the following 4 jokes that we're going to tell, which one, there's only one, submitted by a human, and then the rest were generated using AI.
And to see if these jokes actually work, we have here Bridget Murdaugh, our test audience. She is a senior product manager on the vscode team, and currently first in line to the vscode throne. You can put her back up. She holds dominion over the remote extensions and has a great sense of humor, but only laughs if something is truly funny, folks. All right? So, which makes her perfect for this segment. And she also enjoys walks on the beach. Look at that. So, folks, this here is our AI joke detection segment.
It's the AI joke detection segment.
All right, so joke number 1. Why did the programmer quit their job? They didn't get a raise.
It's pretty good. I got it.
No fake laugh. Don't be fake
It
laugh.
genuinely had like a little laugh come out of me, so it was
All right, yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. We're trying to get a better response here. All right.
Yeah.
Joke number 2.
By the way, that's the programmer that didn't get a raise on the screen there for you folks.
All right, next one here. Why did the developer go broke? Because they used up all their cash.
Hooah! You are correct, ma'am.
It's like same energy as the first one. Like, okay, a raise, cash.
You gotta
That's
up.
like
You gotta up.
a good chuckle.
Okay, all right, we're getting through this. Okay. SQL query walks into a bar, goes up to 2 tables, and says, "Can I join you?"
So what they say, like, I get the join part, but like, I think there could have been part 2, you know? I got all excited. I was like, oh, is that what they say?
She was excited.
I think Bridget might be too smart for our corny joke. All right, so I didn't have bombing on VS Code Day stage on the bucket list, but I guess we're gonna cross that out. All right, we have one more here. All right, why did the programmer need to increase their font size? They couldn't see sharp.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was good. Reynolds, yeah, after made it even
That
better.
one got
But I
it.
did agree that one was good.
Yeah. Okay, folks. Seriously, this is the serious face.
All right.
Enough jokes. One of these jokes was told by a human being, and the rest were AI generated. So let's see who in the chat can guess first which was by a human. Our producer from the back is going to let us know.
Anyone let us know if someone actually correctly guessed which joke was generated by, well, I guess I shouldn't say generated, but submitted by an actual human being.
AI, yes.
We got anyone? No. Does, Bridget, you want to take a guess? Which one of those you think was made by a human?
I feel like my guess is number 4. I feel like 1 and 2 were like super similar energy. Like it's like, okay, cool.
Okay.
The third one for some reason gives me the same energy as the first 2. I can't describe why. Number 4 like stood out as maybe like a human added their own creativity into it. And I'm ready to be so wrong, but that is my educated guess.
Such an engineer way of answering that question. It's like, let me not only just answer your question, but let me walk you through my solution.
Exactly. I can't just give the answer. I have to say like why I think that, even if it's completely wrong.
That is the right way to do it.
I love
Just
it.
break it down completely, scenario by scenario.
Yeah, I think our audience was stumped, but Bridget was correct.
Yes,
No way.
absolutely, you are. Because the audience went radio silent. They're trying to figure it out.
Wait, we need to give a big shout out to Devin P. Mack, who actually submitted that joke. Thank you so much for contributing to the community, that piece of valuable comedic relief there. Hope to see your, maybe we'll have like a 5-minute stand-up section next VS Code Day with Devin there, but that was awesome.
Thanks so much, Devin. Folks, that was the AI joke detection segment.
That was the AI joke